welcome back to my channel. I just woke up from a nap, so I'm trying to get my pep back, y'all. I got these like Izzy's. I went to Chipotle one day, and I don't know how I ended up getting that little sparkling grapefruit drink, but ever since I did that, I've been obsessed. So I ordered these off Amazon. I have them in Amazon store. Check it out, girl. Anyway, we're doing my hair today, okay? Clearly, we do that shit every day. But today, I'm going to be doing trying a cream-only wash and go. You guys know how I feel about not using gel on my hair. I just do not feel like that shit works. But we're going to try, and I'm going to give it my best effort today. I'm going to clean my hair. We're going to do a mask first, Aztec clay mask, because I feel like I'm going to need that extra curl poppage before I do that. Okay, there's another reason why I'm just doing cream and stuff, because I'm actually about to get a haircut on Thursday. Today is Tuesday night, and I'm actually getting a haircut on Thursday, and I'm super, super excited. But I want to go ahead and clarify my hair, so we're going to go in with the Aztec clay, and then we're going to come in with the cream and stuff. So keep your fingers crossed. You guys have seen me do a bunch of Aztec clay masks, I think. I hope I've done a video on this. If so, I'll put it right here. What I'm going to do, go ahead and mix in my Aztec clay with my apple cider vinegar. Get it popping. And I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair as well. And then when I come back, we're just going to start applying. But let me show you guys what my hair looks like. Let's do that. Let's do that. It's very flaky. I have these like satin scrunchies. And y'all, I got so freaking many. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how many I got. It came with all these scrunchies, y'all. All these scrunchies. And I think it was legit like $10 or something. So that'll be in my Amazon store too. Along with Aztec clay and all that. Y'all, just check out my Amazon store, okay? Because, yeah, a lot of the stuff in this video probably going to be from that. Okay, so I want to show you guys my hair. Very dry. Very dry. We got some frizz up here, y'all. I've been having issues with frizz right up in here, so yeah, I'm gonna try to fix all this, and we're gonna do a cream. We're gonna do a cream today, so let's get it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair, and then I'll be right back. My hair is wet, and I have mixed it up nice and thick. I want mine thick because I don't want it running down my body, okay? This is my hair just looks like wet. Little wet dog. Clearly it still has a lot of buildup in it. Alright, so now that my hair is all sectioned off, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and part a little section and apply, but I am gonna put some gloves on, y'all, because this stuff is so messy. So messy. So let me put my gloves on. This is really thick too. I made it nice and creamy thick. You guys have seen this a million times, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my head with my gloves, nice and thick like this. And then I'll come back, show you guys what it looks like after I apply all of the product. I have applied the product all over my hair. All over my hair. I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to come back, and we're just going to start the cream wash and go. I just want it to come back while the Mish deep conditioner is in my hair and let you see what I see. I have rinsed all that deep conditioner out, and it's looking good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and section off my hair. Now that my hair is all sectioned off, I'm about to go in with the product. I just realized I ain't told y'all what the product was, but I do have my spray bottle here. I got it from Sally's. You guys can get it from my Amazon store. I'll link it below. And also the cream that I'm going to be going in with is the Texture ID Styling Cream. It's like a thick cream. And I'm going to give it its last fair chance. I'm actually trying not to use any like hair tools. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this section. And I have warm water in here, by the way. So you want to make sure the section is saturated first. But I want to see if a cream gonna work, y'all, because y'all know how I am about gels. Anyway, this is what the cream looks like. It's like a jiggly type of cream. And anyway, that's all we going in with, friend. I guess. I was looking to see what was the best cream for a wash and go, and this just kept coming up. So I was like, listen, if I'm going to do it, I might as well be fair and get the best cream. The cream that y'all like the most anyway. I didn't really care too much about this cream, but like I said, that's what we're doing this video for. I want to see if I'm going to see a difference. If this is going to be a bomb wash and go. I don't think I'm going to use any brushes or anything on my hair. I'm just going to be repeating this, just adding water, adding cream, adding water, adding cream. I guess you guys just go ahead and listen to some music, and you'll know my thoughts in a minute. I am done. I think I got enough product on my head right now. Not too bad. It feels very, very soft. Of course, it doesn't feel like something that's gonna hold, but I'm gonna sit under the dryer, let it dry, and then come back and show you guys what it looks like. I'm kind of excited. I actually am, because I want to see, am I just gonna get like big, voluminous, sexy hair? I just want to see, you know, because I don't have gel. This is after my hair is dry. I actually sat under the dryer for about 30 minutes. And then I went in with a diffuser for about 30 minutes. So a total of an hour. But my hair is dry. I have a few wet spots, which is why I'm not really touching it. And I'm not going to really touch it until tomorrow when I'm going to make it bigger and stuff. But let me tell y'all, I do like it. I know I really prepped it really well with the clay and then a very moisturizing deep conditioner. But dang, it looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and go to bed, wrap my hair, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. I want to make it a little bigger, but I want to sleep on it, see how the cream works, and see does it actually look good tomorrow. It is the next day. It is actually... What time is it? It's 7:24 p.m. the next day. I have done outdoors things. I've been touching my hair all day. I wanted to really put this to the test to see if I'll still have curls by the end of the day. And I do. This has some hold to it. I don't know if me actually doing like the Aztec clay and all of that has something to do with the results that I'm seeing right now. But my hair is looking so good. Actually, by the time this video goes up, I already have my haircut. I'm getting a haircut, okay? I am so excited. I haven't really stretched out my hair other than sleeping in pineapple style. Of course, that stretched it out a little bit in the back, but I didn't take the dryer and stretch it or anything like that. So these are what my curls are looking like. I absolutely love my hair. I am definitely going to purchase this again. I am going to put some type of fragrance, some type of essential oil in it as soon as I buy it, stir it up so that it's nice and fresh and, I don't know, a good scent. So you guys know I'm big on scents, but I really like this product. Now, it's not a normal type of cream. This is kind of like a custard. I mean, I've tried it so that I can give you guys a real, like, do I like it or do I not? But the way that it did these results, like the way that my hair is looking right now with only this product, I would have to say it's a good one, you guys. Just want to show you guys my next day. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Y'all, I'm spinning around in my chair. Bye.